everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to solve group chat problems on our Facebook Messenger app. For this, I'll teach you 6 of the ways to do it. So let's get started. The very first one is to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes weak Wi-Fi connection could also be the reason of your group chat problems. So make sure to have a strong Wi-Fi connection. The second one is to go to your App Store or Play Store. Tap on the search for apps and games option on the top, enter here Messenger, and then if you have an update option on the top right corner, make sure to tap on update and make your app updated. Sometimes unupdated app could also be the reason of the Facebook group chat problem. So make sure to make your app updated. The next one is to go to the settings of your phone and reach to the point where you will get an option of clearing the cache of this particular app. If you have a phone like mine, you can simply go to settings, scroll down, and then tap on apps, tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar and enter here Messenger and then search for this app. On the bottom, you can see 3 of the options: force stop, uninstall and clear data. So tap on clear data on the bottom right corner. Tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. Just by doing it, you have removed all of the unnecessary cache related to this particular app. The next one is to force stop this app. Currently, I do not have this option, but you might have it on your runway. So tap on force stop on the bottom left corner and then tap on OK. You will get even a necessary warning that force stopping an app could even help. Force stopping an app can create a problem for another apps, but that's not true because force stopping an app can remove all of the unnecessary bugs related to this particular app and help your app start in a very fresh way. The fifth one is to uninstall this app. Tap on uninstall option and then tap on OK and then reinstall this app once again by going to your App Store or Play Store. Reinstalling this app can also fix your group chat problems because it will help your app start in a very fresh way. And the final one is to restart your phone. Restarting your phone can also help you solve your group chat problem. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you. Go and try all the 6 of them and I'm sure it's going to be helpful for you. So I'll see you in the next video. But before that, make sure to subscribe our channel and like our videos and even share it. So until then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.